Okay, so here's that disgusting thing I picked off of the base of my corn stalk. I thought it was maybe some kind of larva sac at first, but let's see what's in here. It feels almost like styrofoam, almost like cellulose or something. So maybe a fungus or just some mutant growth on the. It's harder than a normal mushroom, you know, fungus. So I mean, maybe it is, but it slices kind of like styrofoam. Feels very similar to styrofoam. So, anybody have experience with what that is? I've never seen it before. Let me know. Thanks.